Myself Pankaj Jha, and I'm from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at IMT College of Engineering. Dear students, I'm hoping that you all are fit and fine in this COVID situation, and we are proceeding towards next semester as the result has been declared by university on the basis of your internal performance and past performance of your semester results. So, dear students, I will take integrated circuit subject in this semester, and fortunately, I have taught analog circuit also in fourth semester. You all. So, in this zero lecture, I will try to communicate what the content has been given by university, how we can relate the content of this semester with previous content, that is that we have discussed in analog circuit. What are the topics which are additionally added in new content, since you all aware that the K series code has been generated for fifth semester, and this is a new syllabus given by university itself in this semester. So first, we what we have discussed in analog circuit, I will try to recap, because after March, yeah, in fact after Holi vacation, the whole scenario changed, and we connected through online mode for completing our rest content. Whether it was effective or not, I'm not going to tell about that. But personally, as a teacher, I'm feeling that the classroom teaching is the best method to deliver any content at UG or any level, because there are so many difficulty as a teacher I was facing. So I'm hoping for the same you all. And connectivity and data consumption and having lots of data are most important considerations, in fact for me also. But this time our management, our web team, and especially Brijesh sir has done lot of effort, and we are having Microsoft team, and with the help of team only we will try to connect all the sessions till we are not meeting in classroom actually. So that process will be also discussed after that. So let's start what we have did till now. Third semester, in third semester you have studied about fundamentals of electronic devices. Fourth semester we are having application based some circuits like op-amp, its internal architecture, linear circuits, non-linear circuits, applications, something about filters, and some more thing about, I think we have studied current mirrors, its applications, some part of frequency analysis in terms of low frequency analysis and high frequency analysis. ये सब हमने डिस्कस किया। मार्च तक हम क्लासरूम में डिस्कस किए और उसके बाद ऑनलाइन मोड के थ्रू। तो जो इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट है, आप एनालॉग सर्किट से कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, और उसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे कंटेंट होंगे जो विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. सो in zero lecture, as always I did in past also, मेरा प्रयास होता है कि मैं ये बताऊं कि सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ने के बाद आपको क्या आप सीखने वाले हैं, इसको कहाँ आप यूज कर सकते हैं फ्यूचर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, एंड इसके एप्लीकेशंस क्या होंगे एज ए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर. तो कोशिश करेंगे कि these all points I will try to cover in this lecture only, because in from next lecture we will proceed strictly to the syllabus and content what university has been prescribed. So first I am sharing the content, course content, and we will discuss a little bit about every unit and further proceed towards course outcomes. So let's see what the content has been given by university. So code is KEC 501 integrated circuits. Credit given by university is 4, and 5 different units are there, and topics and unit wise discussion I will discuss with the help of content given by university itself. So in first unit, the IC741 op-amp is there. We have discussed it very deeply in our AC also, analog circuit also, and here also in this unit we will discuss about the input stage, output stage, second stage, what are the short circuit protection and all that, what are the parameters we will do for the DC and AC analysis of input stage and intermediate stage. We will discuss about gain, frequency, response, and what is slew rate. We will try to relate with slew rate and frequency. So these are the topics which are from first unit. Now you are seeing the screen, and here it is mentioned that first linear application of integrated circuit, that is op-amps. So we will discuss V to I converter, I to V converter, instrumentation amplifier, impedance converter, inductor simulation, and further we will move towards filters. And though the content was given in fourth semester also, but there it was mentioned very general statement like first order filter, second order filter, like that, low pass filter. Here it is clearly mentioned we have to discuss Sallen key second order filter, second order low pass filter, and high pass Butterworth filter, and then we will move towards band pass filter, band reject filter. KHN filter is also there, and also there is introduction to design of higher order filter also. So it will be very important content, and you have noticed that it was in third semester also in network analysis. Further it was given in analog circuit, and again we are having it in integrated circuit also. So dear student, we will try to cover these topics related to filters, because it is a very important content as far as research point of view, as far as higher study point of view. So we will take it in detail, and it might be, it must be one of our COs that we will discuss further. Definitely it is going to be one CO, course outcome, from the content of IC. Now next one is frequency compensation and non-linearity. It will be a new topic, because frequency compensation was though given in the syllabus, we have not discussed. So we will discuss what will be the effect of negative feedback, what is non-linearity, what is linearity in first section, and then we will move towards log amplifier, anti-log amplifier, using diode and BJT, what is thermal compensation, peak detector, sample and hold circuit, comparator, zero crossing detector, A-stable multivibrator and mono-stable multivibrator will be the new content. And again then generation of square wave, analog multiplier, applications and all that. So till now what we have discussed with the help of given syllabus is more important, that it is totally application based, and we will see in lab also. We are going to implement these all circuit with the help of ICs, and some of experience will be done, experiment will be done with the help of virtual lab also. So we will discuss and we will design these all circuits, and you will see the output are exactly same what we are discussing theoretically. Yeah, some different aspects are also there. Then this portion is totally new, that is digital integrated circuit design. Because I think in DSD, digital system design, you have very I think the content was discussed in very short, that was logic family. And मुझे लगता है कि इस चीज़ को डिज़ाइन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कराया गया हो या नहीं कराया गया होगा, but we will discuss all the designing using CMOS only, that is complementary metal oxide semiconductor, field effect transistor also, because you all know that field effect transistor is divided into two parts, that is NMOS and PMOS. Further, combined PMOS and NMOS is known as CMOS circuits. So with the help of CMOS circuit, we will try to design, we will try to implement different combinational circuit like AND or NAND or gate, some functions, and latches or flip-flop, that is the part of sequential circuit also. So we are going to discuss, we will design SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, D flip-flop, different type of flip-flop, and sequential circuit also using CMOS. So this is totally new and a very interesting topic, because this is the starting of VLSI design. And VLSI design is one of the most important field, vertical or domain you can say, where being an electronics engineer, we are going to pursue our career also. So it is the foundation, I can say it will be a base for VLSI design and technology also. Now, in last unit, integrated circuit timer is given. That is, we will try to generate astable, mono-stable, multi-vibrator circuit, which is which we can design with the help of op-amp itself. But using 555 timer IC, we will discuss in detail about 555 timer IC and what will be the design procedure, how we are going to use 555 timer IC, and how we will design our different circuits. So first content will be related with 555 timer IC, and in second content we will discuss about voltage controlled oscillator. And it is a very important topic, because as we know, if we able to detect frequency of any particular device, person, system, country, we can decode each and every information about that particular. So it will be used in PLL, that is phase log loop, and with the help of PLL we can trace, we can identify each and every parameters, data, aspects, coding and all, if we can detect the frequency band or frequency at which any particular person is working. So it will be used VCO will be used in PLL design. And last content was phase log loop, that is we will discuss about what is the basic principle of PLL, its block diagram, its working, and with the help of XOR gate and multiplier, we will try to discuss about phase detector and very specific applications of PLL. But in short, PLL is going to most interesting topic, and if we will have time to perform some application with the help of lab or its IC, it will be most interesting content of IC, I can say that. So these are the basic content and topics which we will discuss in integrated circuit. And for that, obviously, microelectronic circuit by Cedra Smith, we all are having already, and Rizvi, that is design of CMOS integrated circuit, because you will study two different subjects related to VLSI, and one of them is VLSI technology and second will be VLSI design. So for that, Rizvi is one of the most famous book, and second one will be Kang, that you will specifically discussed for VLSI design. And for references, we will have Gaikwad and Franco Salivanan is there, Milman Halkias is there. So this is the complete content of integrated circuit, and this time university gave their own course outcome. So let's discuss this quickly, and if there is possibility of modification, then we will try to do it also, because it is not necessary that what university has been provided us, the content or course outcome will be same what we are focusing, we are planning for our student, yeah, our group. So the university has written that at the end of this course, student will demonstrate the ability to, the first one is explain complete internal analysis of op-amp, that is 741 IC. So student, I have discussed in during NBA time also that these explain is a Bloom taxonomy. That means it related with your psychomotor things. That means you are able to recall the things you have to learn. You have to you will be able to draw about 741 and all that. So designing part is not there. Explanation means you will be able to explain each and every aspect of 741 IC. Now, next one is examine and design op-amp based circuit and basic component of ICs such as various type of filter. So this is a very vast literally outcome. Generally course outcome is not so much lengthy because it includes all the thing, whether it is linear or non-linear. When we are saying that op-amp based circuit itself a very big topic, and it includes all the content of linear, non-linear and all the applications of op-amp. So examine and design is a very general word used by university experts, but we will try to summarize it as a designing of op-amp based circuit, whether it may be linear or non-linear. Now third CO is implement the concept of op-amp to design op-amp based non-linear application and wave shaping circuit. So you all are smart enough that CO2 and CO third is almost same, excluding that wave shaping circuit. So dear student, I will try to discuss, I will try to change also this third CO, because wave shaping circuit is different, and though we are using op-amp, and it may be sometime linear application and maybe sometime non-linear application, so wave shaping circuit will be definitely going to our third CO, and this term, that is implementation and design, we have already taken in CO2. Now in fourth CO, that is analysis and design of digital integrated circuit using CMOS technology. This is very new, and this we will kept as it is, because first we will do designing, then we will analyze also. Analyzing means we are going to discuss what will be its fan out, what will be its fan in, what will be noise margin, what will be propagation delay, what will be its other parameters. So analyzing is a Bloom's taxonomy again, and covers after designing parameters, and it will be going to help all the content, all the things related to CMOS technology. So CO4 will be as it is as far as our COs are concerned. Now last CO is given by universities, described and functioning of application of a specific IC like 555 timer, VCO and PLL. This is again new content, and we will kept this CO as it is for our objective also, because 555 timer, it is a new content, again VCO is a new content, as well as PLL is new content. So describing means, again describe is a Bloom taxonomy, which is again related with your ability to recall the things, ability to learn the things. So we are going to pursue these all information, and we will discuss in detail also. So out of 5 CO, I think there will be modification, slightly modification in CO2 and 3, and that I will provide in later on. So this is all about our content of integrated circuit, and this we will discuss in very डिटेल. अब इसके अलावा इस कंक्लूजन रिमार्क में जो हमारा जीरो लेक्चर है, मैं दो चीजें आपसे उम्मीद करूंगा कि जो नोट्स आपने रखे हैं एनालॉग सर्किट के, उसको आप अपने पास रखिएगा, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द कंटेंट हमें बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट होगी एनालॉग सर्किट की डिस्कस करने के लिए. दूसरी रिक्वायरमेंट, एज आई ऑलवेज फोकसिंग ऑन दैट, कि वी मस्ट हैव बॉलिस्टेड for numerical for solving, and in our Google Classroom you will find that Bolisted is there, and I am hoping that you all are having Bolisted for basic numerical problem, for basic questionnaire and all that. So dear student, we will discuss, I will start with your consultation, which unit we will going to start, I will discuss in group also. So in next lecture we will start our content, and hoping again you all are fit and fine, stay safe,